Welcome! In front of me I have Emporia Smart 3 Mini, and today I'll show you how easy you can remove tempered glass from screen. From your display. So basically I can recommend you to start from one of the edge. For example, let's start from the bottom section of the screen, and we have to put our fingernail underneath the tempered glass, and then we can simply move it to the left side. As you can see, it goes very easy. Remember to do it slowly and don't break the glass. We can take it to the upper section to lower risk of breaking this glass and hurt yourself. And as you can see, it was removed, so it was pretty simple, right? And if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.